Hello there! Let's take a look at how you can save all the images from a LibreOffice Calc file. Imagine you have got a spreadsheet filled with pictures and barcodes. Here is how to get them out. If you want to save a single image, just click on it and choose Save from the context menu. Unfortunately, LibreOffice doesn't offer a way to save all images at once. Images embedded in cell comments are even trickier. There is no built-in tool to extract them directly. Let's have a look at a quick workaround to extract all images at once. For this, close the Calc file, open your spreadsheet file using an archive tool like 7-zip or WinRAR. Inside the archive, look for the Pictures folder. Then simply drag and drop that folder to your desired location. And that's it. Now you have got access to all the images from your spreadsheet. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like. Have a great day and see you next time. Bye!